Let's come to lying down on our backs. With your knees bent and your feet flat, cross right ankle over left thigh. Choose what's right for you today. Stay here or lift the foot off the ground and draw your knee in by taking the front of the left shin in both hands, drawing that knee to the chest. Right ankle is getting lighter off of that left thigh. Right knee is reaching away from your body even more. If you want to go further, just an opportunity, you could lift your head, put your left foot on the ground, and wrap left elbow into the sole of the right foot, and then baby cradle basically. Wrap your right elbow around your right knee and give yourself a nice little hug. Flex the right foot. And then if you want it deeper, you straighten that left leg. And then switch sides. Left ankle crosses over right, and you move in slowly, deciding how deep you want to go today. Letting go of your ego, which said, but yesterday, again, staying with where you're at. You can go deeper by baby cradling. So on this side, left elbow hooks around the left thigh, right elbow, or right forearm really, into the foot. Flex the left foot. Right foot is on the floor. Like you're reaching your left sitting bone away from your head. You're doing a huge hip opener. Make sure that you're not hurting your shoulders. Release. Knees to chest. Wrapping yourself in a nice warm embrace. And then let's get all the tension out of our bodies. So inhale, and then exhale. Lift your head and squeeze every single muscle in your body. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then inhale, release, relax, and bring yourself into Shavasana. Notice where you feel better in your body. So noticing what opened up for you, what let go, what worked for you. And just let the rest of it go. And using everything that you know, move into that stillness of Shavasana. Stay here as long as you like. For now, thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to hear how this practice worked for you. Namaste.